Hey guys, in this video we will tell about premium mid-range smartphone that is OnePlus Nord. So you must be already aware that this device has been already officially launched. Let us go through important features of the phone. The device will have Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G processor which supports 5G and download speed up to 3.38 Gbps. Coming to display section, the phone will be having Fluid AMOLED capacitive touchscreen which is of 6.44 inches with 90Hz refresh rate. OnePlus Nord's highest model has been packed with 12GB of RAM and 256GB ROM. It comes with Android 10 Oxygen OS. Now let's talk about camera. Nord is going to have quad camera setup. It is equipped with 48 megapixel main camera which is supported by optical image stabilization. It has Sony IMX586 sensor. It is also having 8 megapixel 119 degree ultra wide angle camera, 5 megapixel depth camera and 2 megapixel macro camera. Coming to selfie camera, it is packed with 32 megapixel primary front camera having Sony IMX615 sensor and it is having 8 megapixel wide angle camera. OnePlus is powered by a 4115 mAh battery that supports Warp Charge 30T, which allows the phone to charge from 0 to 70% in just 30 minutes. OnePlus Nord will be having in-display fingerprint sensor and it is available in two colors, blue marble and grey onyx. Now coming to the most important part, the pricing of the phone. OnePlus Nord will start at Rs 24,999 in India for the base 6GB RAM 64GB ROM model. 27,999 rupees for 8GB plus 128GB model and 29,999 rupees for 12GB plus 256GB model. The price is worth the specification it is providing. It is definitely going to capture Indian market under this price range. The phone will be available in Amazon.in and OnePlus official website from 4th of August. However, OnePlus played a business tactic here. The base model 6GB RAM plus 64GB ROM won't be available until early September, so that higher model will get a push, generating higher revenue for them. So to buy this device, you can click on the link given in the description section. So for more information and review videos of the phone, please subscribe to our channel so that you can get notification on time. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe.